My name is Natalie Roser. I am an Australian model, and today I am going to be sharing my Sunday smoothie recipe with you guys. I have a few ingredients. It's a pretty simple one, but it's got a bit of a kick to it. So I've got one banana. I prefer when my bananas are on the deathbed because it makes them sweeter. I got half a cup of blueberries. My ladder protein, I'm using the chocolate plant protein today, which is my favorite, and a shot of coffee. So I'm going to start with the coffee shot. I've already prepped that. You can use whatever means of coffee you have accessible to you. I'm lucky I've got like a proper built-in espresso machine. So I'm going to do a short shot. I'm going to add my banana. My frozen blueberries. Then I'm going to add my ladder protein. Try not to make a huge mess. Do a whole sachet because it's that good. Then I'm going to add some milk. I add just enough to kind of, I don't know how much I add, but because I make these every day, I just know where to pour to get the right amount from my cup. And then I add my coffee shot. And that's it. Blend it. And then this is my smoothie. Killer consistency. Love that. Cheers. Make your own smoothie, share that with @LadderSport and #BetterEveryday. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy my little morning kicker smoothie.